Hello everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. Have you ever tried banana blossom stir fry with fermented rice paste? If not, this video is for you. We're going to discover the most authentic recipe. First, I need to prepare a special bowl of water. I'll add about 1 tablespoon of salt here. Then, a fresh lemon. Slice it in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. The acid in the lemon will immediately stop the oxidation process. Now, stir to dissolve the salt. And here's my secret weapon, ice. Why ice? The cold water will help our main ingredient maintain a fantastic, crispy quality. And here is our main ingredient, banana blossom. First, we cut off the root end. Then, we need to remove the tough outer layers. The outer layers of the banana blossom are very fibrous, tough, and contain lots of sap, making them extremely bitter. We must remove these layers to get to the tender, young, sweet core inside. This ensures the dish has a delicious texture and completely removes any unpleasant taste. We stop peeling when the pale, tender layers are revealed. Cut off this excess part. Now we'll thinly slice the banana blossom. You need a very sharp knife for this. As soon as you slice it, drop it immediately into the lemon ice water bath. If you leave it exposed to the air for more than 30 seconds, the sap will react with oxygen and turn black immediately. We want our dish to look beautiful and bright, right? Where are you watching this video from? Do they sell fresh banana blossom where you live? Let me know in the comments. This food is truly a superfood. It's rich in fiber, iron, and magnesium. It's also known to help enrich the blood and aid in maintaining a good figure. It's fascinating to watch the banana blossom shreds bloom, becoming soft and white in the ice water. I'll use chopsticks to gently push the banana blossom down, so it is fully submerged. And we'll let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we move on to the garlic. First, trim both ends of the garlic clove with a knife. This makes peeling easier. Then crush them gently. Make sure your knife is sturdy. You can also use a pestle or the side of a cleaver. Now, remove the loosened skin. And mince the garlic. Garlic will make our dish more fragrant and the flavor richer. After that, transfer the minced portion onto a clean plate. Next is the sauce that gives this dish its soul. I've prepared a small bowl. Add about half a bowl of fermented rice paste to create a natural tang. Then, we'll add about 4 to 5 grams of turmeric powder. Mix this mixture thoroughly. The yellow color of turmeric is not just beautiful, it's incredibly beneficial for your health. The active ingredient, curcumin, is noted for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which are excellent for overall health and the digestive system. Let's go back to the soaking banana blossom. We'll drain everything out into a colander. Then, rinse it again with fresh water 2 to 3 times. Look at the water, it's cloudy white like milk. This is all the bitter sap that has been pushed out by the lemon and salt water. However, that's still not enough. I will rinse it thoroughly with clean water about 2 to 3 more times. Rinsing thoroughly and changing the water frequently will prevent the banana blossom from darkening again and maintain that desirable crispiness, crunchiness, even after cooking. And here are all of our ingredients for today. Let's start cooking. Here is the secret in my kitchen, turmeric fat. Some of you might find this strange, but instead of using plain white lard or regular cooking oil, I rendered pork fat with fresh turmeric. This is how to create a beautiful and healthy natural food coloring. We'll put the pan on the stove and turn the heat to high. Once the pan is hot, I'll add a spoon of frozen turmeric fat. Look at it slowly melting. It's no longer white. It looks exactly like liquid gold spreading, glossy and more beautiful than premium butter, doesn't it? Gently tilt the pan to coat the bottom evenly with this liquid gold. Now add the minced garlic. Listen to that sizzle. The fragrance of garlic sautéed in pork fat is truly a weapon that would knock anyone out. Why do I use turmeric fat? Besides its extremely high heat tolerance, which keeps the vegetables crispy, The oil in the turmeric creates a layer of yellow color while completely neutralizing the banana blossom's slight astringent taste. Once the garlic turns golden and fragrant, toss in all the banana blossom. Remember to keep the heat high. Stir quickly. Banana blossom is quite porous and absorbs fat quickly. If the pan looks dry, don't hesitate to add a little more turmeric fat. This fat will help each strand become glossy and start taking on that beautiful initial yellow color. Now, for some basic seasoning. I'm using a tablespoon of bouillon powder or salt. Stir it well so the seasoning coats every strand. And when you see the banana blossom starting to soften and wilt down, here is the magic moment. Drizzle the yellow, drizzle the sauce evenly around the pan. Then, stir everything quickly. Do you see the difference? The sauce helps the yellow color of the dish become deeper, glossier, and much more vibrant. The layer upon layer combination of the turmeric fat and the turmeric sauce creates an absolutely beautiful overall color. The aroma at this moment is truly irresistible. To boost the flavor and richness, I'm adding some crispy pork cracklings or caramelized pork belly. The combination of crispy vegetables and rich pork fat is a very rustic culinary experience, but it's incredibly addictive. Continue stirring until the sauce thickens and coats every strand of banana blossom. Many people ask me what this dish tastes like. It has a crunchy texture similar to artichoke hearts, but the flavor is much richer and more interesting thanks to the tropical spices. Beyond the amazing flavor, this dish is also a tonic for the body. The combination of turmeric, a potent natural anti-inflammatory agent, and fermented rice, which contains many beneficial probiotics, turns this stir-fry into a great friend for your digestive system. We can see the sauce gradually reducing and thickening, coating every strand of banana blossom with a glossy yellow layer. It doesn't need heavy cream or cheese, yet it still has a very distinct creaminess. Give it a little more stirring until the sauce becomes truly thick and glossy. Turn off the heat and scoop it onto the plate. Look, it really does look like a plate of golden pasta, but this is entirely vegetable, 100% gluten-free, and extremely healthy. I'll add a few slices of fresh chili for a dash of color and some spicy heat. And that's our banana blossom stir-fry with fermented rice complete. A simple, inexpensive dish with a 5-star restaurant flavor. Thank you for watching. If you've never tried banana blossom, be brave and try it once, you won't regret it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my latest videos. See you in the next one.